Having beautiful, healthy skin reflects overall well-being. One of the most effective ways to achieve this is through a balanced diet rich in fruits and vegetables. These natural foods are packed with essential vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and other nutrients that nourish your skin, enhance its appearance, and protect it from environmental damage. The skin, our body's largest organ, needs a constant supply of nutrients to stay vibrant. Antioxidants in fruits and vegetables help combat oxidative stress, reducing cellular damage caused by free radicals. Essential vitamins like A, C, and E are key for skin repair, inflammation reduction, and collagen production. Additionally, water-rich fruits and vegetables keep skin hydrated, while healthy fats, especially in foods like avocados, help maintain the skin's natural barrier, preventing dryness and irritation. Top fruits for beautiful skin. Let's start with some fruits that are especially beneficial for your skin. Berries, high in antioxidants, vitamin C, and fiber, these berries help prevent premature aging by fighting free radicals. Vitamin C is essential for collagen production, keeping skin firm and smooth. Citrus fruits, rich in vitamin C, folate, and potassium, citrus fruits support collagen synthesis and protect the skin from sun damage. They also have natural astringent properties, which can tone and brighten the skin. Avocados provide healthy fats and are packed with vitamins E and C. These nutrients maintain skin elasticity and protect from oxidative stress. Papaya, loaded with vitamins A, C, and E, along with the enzyme papain, papaya promotes cell turnover and exfoliates dead skin cells, revealing a fresh, glowing complexion. Watermelon hydrates the skin and contains vitamins A and C as well as lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that protects against UV damage. Pomegranates, rich in antioxidants, especially ellagic acid, pomegranates help prevent wrinkles and support collagen production. Top vegetables for beautiful skin. Vegetables also play a major role in maintaining beautiful skin. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard, packed with vitamins A, C, E, and K. Leafy greens nourish the skin, reduce inflammation, and support cell repair. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, which converts to vitamin A in the body. This nutrient is crucial for a healthy, natural glow. Sweet potatoes, high in beta-carotene and vitamin C, sweet potatoes aid in collagen production and skin cell renewal, providing a radiant complexion. Bell peppers. These are excellent sources of vitamins A and C, supporting skin elasticity and repair. Tomatoes. Containing lycopene, tomatoes offer protection from UV damage and pollution. Vitamin C helps in skin repair and reducing pigmentation. Broccoli has vitamins A, C, and E, as well as sulforaphane, which may protect against skin cancer and reduce inflammation. Tips for maximum skin benefits. To maximize the benefits of these foods, try these tips. Variety. Include a variety of fruits and vegetables in your diet to get a wide spectrum of nutrients. Freshness. Choose fresh, organic produce whenever possible for the best nutrient intake. Preparation. Mix raw and cooked vegetables for diverse nutrient profiles. Hydration. Drink plenty of water to keep your skin hydrated from the inside out. Remember, healthy, radiant skin starts from within. By incorporating a variety of nutrient-rich fruits and vegetables into your daily diet, you're giving your skin the fuel it needs to look its best. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on achieving your wellness goals naturally. Until next time, stay healthy, stay vibrant, and keep nourishing yourself.